Very nice. So it gives us 18-inch opening. That's all you're going to get out of this. So know that when you have a 48-inch door, this is actually 46. So everything did shrink in 2 inches from our 48-inch opening that we had for our rough end framing. So, but this is still plenty of room, I mean, to get in and out. Now they also do make these little transitions, or basically a seal for the back of the door here, so you don't get any water in between here. But we're having a shower facing this way, we're really not going to have that issue. But they definitely give you plenty of seals. There's actually 3 more strips of different seals that you can use to make sure that all the water is contained. But yeah, as you can see, there was really I really didn't want to put that threshold across here to make any transition. It looks a lot nicer being all nice and open. Like I mentioned, I have plenty of slope here, so when I close the door, it'll be very, very minimal amount of water that could possibly come out of that opening. But all in all, I'm very pleased with this installation. This 3/8-inch glass really feels quality. The hardware is very well made. All in all, I'm very happy, and I would definitely highly recommend this for anybody needing a sliding door and something that's a decent quality like this, for sure. And that really does sharpen it up, though, doesn't it?